This game mode is called Infected, but with a twist. It's 2 infected against 1 of the hunted. The first infected to kill the hunted becomes the hunted. Once the hunted gets shot, they then become the infected. It's a rotating game of infected, where there's always 2 infected and 1 hunted. In this intense game of infected, who can last the longest?
In about 30 seconds or so, whenever you're ready. That got hit. He centered her well. I barely seen you peek around that tree there.
I knew you coming, dude, and you come out there. I just leaned down through there. You must have just seen me point my gun at you, because I just getting ready to pull the trigger, and you fucking bailed back in.
Yeah, Matt was getting ready to shoot me. I'm like, no, it's me. All right, now you two are infected and I hide.
Yeah.
By the time you guys get back to spawn, I'll be ready. When you both are just at spawn, we can just keep rotating off like that. Works for me.
I was like, fuck, I have to get out of this position, because I can only shoot Matt so many times.
Yeah. Huh?
Nice try.
Sorry, Terry. I jammed on Semi. I had to switch it to auto.
I think goddamn it, because you hit me just by fucking pulled the trigger on you.
I shot you and it jammed on Semi. I'm like, fuck. I said you're fooling with that as you were ducking down. I was like, shit, he's gonna get me.
I was worried about you hitting me. I got it myself.
My leg's asleep. Oh, it's scaring with that dot. Hit.
I knew we was going to battle.
Yeah, I was like, we're just going at it from here. You get to go hard now. You get to hard now.
I got to reload real quick.
Alright.
I was thinking, goddamn, when you run across there, I was like, fuck, where the hell's Matt? Now, I seen him walking out with his hand up. I was like, motherfucker.
If he had a pistol, he would have got me right there. He was too close. He was way too close for the sniper.
Dude, honest to God, I probably wouldn't even seen you if it wasn't for the green laser on me.
I did it on purpose.
Yeah.
I'm like, fuck it, I'm not going to kill him. I'm just going to shine my green laser on him. And
You had me, and then I was like, fuck. Up there, I had no idea you was even up there. When you shot me, I had no idea what you was at. None whatsoever.
And at the end right there, I was like, fuck it, I'm just going for it. I'm going to go out and shoot until somebody hits somebody.
Yeah, that was fun. And then when I seen Matt, I knew you was down there, so I was able to watch the left of that feeder.
Yeah.
Like, fuck, it's got to be down here. And then I seen you, I was like, fuck, now it's going to be the battle of the pistol.
Yep.
I was trying to keep I was trying to fucking shoot before without even fucking aiming.
Yeah.
Because I was like, fuck.
Once I got mad, I just went like this. I was like, alright, Terry, let's go. Like right there, I'm telling you, if Matt had a pistol right there, he would have got me.
Oh, I guarantee it.
Yeah, you would have got me for sure.
Back up here and take us a break for a second.
Alright. I heard movement, but I didn't know you were that close.
That's the same day too. When he first shot me up there, so the second time you shot me, I knew there was somebody over, and I thought, well, fuck, maybe that's Matt. I literally couldn't see Matt nowhere. And I heard movement. I was like, fuck, maybe that's Matt. And then I got fucking you shooting, and I jammed on the ground,
Yeah.
and I jumped back up and took off running, come in a different angle. Fuck, I got whacked.
Yeah, I heard Jimmy just sit up there. So I literally hugged the tree you sat on, Terry.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. And Jeremy walked right next to me, but I couldn't get my gun up fast but slow enough. So I shot right next to you.
I seen Terry walking up by the hunting blind. I had him dead to rights. I raised my rifle. I was like, screw it, I'm going to turn on my green laser. I turned on. As soon as that thing shined on him, he just dropped. I didn't even get a shot.
I knew he was there. And then when I seen you walking out with your hand up, I was like, Matt? He shot me up there, and I was like, fuck, he's like, sorry. I said, no, dude, that's Matt because I didn't turn my fucking goddamn green dot on.
Well, what happened was, I had it on semi. You know how things jams on semi sometimes? I shot him once, and it missed, and I went to go shoot again. I was like, fuck, it's missing. So I hurried up flipping the auto as he was dunking down, and then I peppered him on auto. I'm like, sorry, man, I jammed on semi.
I fucking pulled the trigger just as I fucking took two to the side. I was like, motherfucker. I'm telling you, man, yeah, the pistol, I tell you what, dude. I mean, I understand carrying them guns right there, like if you want to fucking spray and pray. You know what I mean, like long range. But when you're up against a tree like that, you're literally trying not to give up your cover. The pistol's fucking way.
Earlier, I didn't get it in the GoPro footage. It sucked. But when I was in that big tree, when I was watching you walk, when you were like 5 foot from Matt, that's what I did. I pulled out my pistol. I was up against that tree, and like pretend like Matt's the tree.
Yeah.
It's on safety. I literally had my pistol like this, up against the tree, just watching you go like this. It was cool. You can't really do that with these.
And see, and that's what I did when you was sneaking up, when I was first infected, or when I was hiding from you guys. I was sitting down next to that tree, and I shot Matt a couple times. I heard you coming. I seen you. So I literally leaned forward and had my gun fucking pointing like this, and then when I went around the tree this way. I was going to shoot you left-handed with that fucking dot.
Yeah.
I'm definitely going to look into this pistol because I could have blasted.
Oh, you would have had me dead to rights. I can't wait till you see it. When I heard the gun, I was like, oh my god, he didn't hit me. Part of me felt bad because I'm like, did he hit you? Like, I just did, because like you're so close, but you did.
No, I know I shot you. I seen the tree move.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. I was like, oh my god.
I was like this. I was like, I hope.
That's why, because you were trying to hide your gun and you hit fired.
Because you would have seen the tip. I literally had the gun like this, and then I slowly brought it, and then I brought it up. Like, I want to see if I can see myself in the footage. So if you walk in the corner, I'm like this in the tree. Like I'm letting my head like
I didn't see you until your gun went off.
This, and I'm
I heard you earlier, but I thought you were about 20 foot back. I did not know you were that close to me. I couldn't believe
I
it.
was surprised you didn't hear me because I didn't step on something. I didn't step on anything, but a branch just, I guess, let loose of something. It hit me in the leg. I was surprised you didn't hear that little thwomp because you're pretty close at that point.
Yeah! I'd be surprised if he's not high this time. I'd be really surprised. In fact, I can run now, boys. So. I'm fast as fuck, boy. You understand how fast I really am. I want to go this way. Check that big tree. Alright, I want to check this big tree. Hey!
Oh, you got me. God damn it. Fuck, I pulled the trigger. I literally got 2 shots from you. Fucking by the time I pulled the trigger, I tried to shoot the left-handed.
That was a good spot, Terry. You're freaking in there, dude. I was saying, I gotta find him quick. It's getting darker and darker. He's gonna get harder to see.
Well, you kept fucking searching that way, and I kept trying to hide the end of my fucking barrel, and I was like, fuck. What sucks is, I seen you coming. I seen Matt. I'm like, and I knew you was behind me.
Yeah.
The first time, and I was like,
Yeah.
dude, I can't shoot Matt because it's going to give up my position.
Yeah, that's why I got so confident. I was like, oh, I hear a shot, man. I got right about here, and that one stung. I bet I have a big one.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Damn.